Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ami's TV. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make your own black soap, effective one, lightning and super cool black soap, really. So sometime last month I posted this picture here and I asked who want to know what I use on my skin, and people were like they want to know, so I'm here to show you guys the things that I use on my skin. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends if you like this video. Thank you. And if you're new, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the family. So guys, in today's in this black soap I'll be using my raw black soap. This is raw black soap. It's nothing was mixed in it. It's organic, and I'll be using black soap. I will just write down things that I will use, but let me still mention them. I'll be using black soap, I'll be using honey, I'll be using my essential oil, I'll be using my shea butter, I'll be using tomato. Yeah, tomato. In fact, tomato is doing the whole magic for me. I'll be using my tomato, I'll be using brown sugar, I'll be using turmeric, I'll be using cinnamon. Yep. And some people will be like, oh my god, the ingredients are so much. Don't worry my darlings, it's so good. Okay, it's so good, you will like it. This soap is very effective. If you use it, your life will never remain the same. So let's continue. I'll be using my tomato, I'll be using my cucumber, I'll be using my aloe vera. I'll be adding aloe vera, and I'll be adding carrots, 1 carrot. I'll be adding banana, I'll be adding potato, Irish potato. Yes, I'll be adding. These are the things I'll be using. Then 1 lemon and 1 lime. That's all. I have a strong skin, but don't worry, these cucumber, carrot, tomato, all these ones will take care of all the tomato is very good. Like I used to have these. In fact, don't worry, the more we go into this video, I will show you guys the things I use tomato for my skin. Like tomato is good. Anything, fruits, vegetable that goes into your mouth, my darlings, don't worry, they are all good for your skin also. So it's not only meant for your mouth. So I'm going to grate all this, and when I'm done grating them, I will squeeze out the juice in it. After I squeeze out the juice, then so let me grate it, I'll be back. Okay, so guys, I'm done squeezing, I'm done grating them. So I squeeze out the juice. I have my tomato juice, I have my potato juice, I have my cucumber juice, I have my lemon, my honey, my glycerin, my lime. So I have all these, carrot juice, they're all there. So now I'm going to be adding my soap. I'll add my soap in it, then I will mix it. Then now when I add my soap, I'll be adding my, what is it called? I'll be adding my turmeric, my cinnamon and rice flour, then brown sugar and my shea butter. I think that's the last thing I'll add. So I will write out all these things, but I just want to tell you guys what I'm adding. So I think I won't talk again. I have to do all the things. You guys should just watch and see what I'm doing. Maybe at the ending I will say something. But one more thing I want to say is this: if you want to be using this soap, I have a strong skin, and all these things like the tomato is very good for the skin. Okay, it will help, it lightens the skin even. So you know, this black soap is harsh, somehow is harsh, and it dries the skin sometimes. So for some people it dries up the skin, for some people, not for everybody. I have this as in my skin is very oily, so it dries up the skin, but not for everybody. So if you know that your skin is too sensitive and things lighten you so fast, then I will advise you use this cream only this soap, sorry, only at night, because I use it only at night. Use it only at night and don't use it every day. If your skin is so sensitive and things lightens you fast, don't use it every day. But if not, you can use it every day. If your skin is so sensitive and things lightens you fast, I will advise you use it at least 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week, depending, but use it only at night. So I won't be saying other things. You guys should just watch me mix everything. The white thing I'll be adding in it will be my rice flour, and that is it. So enjoy, and at the end you guys are going to see what the result is like, the outcome of this whole thing. Okay. Please, when you try this and if it works for you, please don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Okay, this is very effective. So guys, if you finish this, I will advise you to store it in the fridge. Store it in the fridge, especially if you stay in a place where you have a steady light. Just store it in your refrigerator, and yeah, that's where I store mine also. So this is it. This soap is very, very effective. Honestly speaking, it's very, very effective, and you guys will like it. If your skin is sensitive, please don't use it every day. And if you know that you are allergic to anything that I've added in this soap, please, when you're doing yours, don't add any of this. Until I come your way next time, please don't forget to subscribe. At the end of this video, I'll be dropping my pictures, so please don't forget to subscribe. And this is the final look. This is what it's like after I finish.